Okay friends, it's time to get started on our job. As you can tell, we have a very large scratch going across our front fender. We've got the proper touch-up paint. Let's get ready to get started on fixing that scratch. Let's continue on by finding the scratch and cleaning the area. As I'm cleaning this, I'm being extremely careful not to damage the rest of my paint. I don't want to scratch it in any way, but I do want to make sure that I'm removing any dirt or debris from the area that I'm trying to fix. Now I'll make sure that this completely dries. Typically that'll take several minutes. The first thing you want to do with your paint is make sure you shake it up for at least 1 full minute. Now once you've fully shaken it for 1 full minute, the next thing I want to talk to you about is there's 2 options for applying this touch-up paint. The first option is a single pen. If I was to take this plastic cover up along the top and take it off, the very tip right there is a fine tip pen. If you found that you had a very small scratch, that's the area that you'd want to use to fill it in. To do that, you just want to carefully press the tip up against the scratch and then just gently make your way down along the scratch. For me personally, I'm going to use the second option. Grabbing the base down along the black area here, you'll notice I can twist it counterclockwise and carefully remove it. At the bottom of that, you're going to find a black tipped brush. The next thing you want to do is wipe off any of the excess paint that's on this. So I'll just make sure that I put it inside here and just rub it along the edges. Now that it's fully dried, I'll continue by removing the excess from my brush. And now I'm going to continue on filling in the entire scratch. You only need to add a little bit along the way. Okay, now at this point I have my primary coating on here. You want to make sure that you let this fully dry. Once it fully dries, give it a quick inspection. If it looks like it needs a second coat, go ahead and apply it. Thanks for watching.